Navigating the learning curve, mastering new skills. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that touches on everyone's journey in learning something new. We'll explore what it means to be on a learning curve. This phrase is quite popular, but what does it really mean? Whether you're learning English, picking up a new hobby, or mastering a skill for work, understanding this concept can really help set your expectations and goals. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery of the learning curve together. The phrase, on a learning curve, refers to the process of acquiring new skills or knowledge over time. Imagine a graph where the x-axis represents time and the y-axis represents your level of competence or understanding. As you learn, your progress traces a curve on this graph. Initially, you might find that progress is slow because everything is new and perhaps challenging. This is the steep part of the curve. But with time, practice, and persistence, learning becomes faster, and you move up the curve more quickly. Being on a learning curve means you are in this dynamic process of growth and improvement. 1. The initial phase. This is where you're starting out. Everything is new, and progress feels slow. You're getting familiar with the basics, and it might seem daunting. This is the steep part of the curve. 2. The acceleration phase. After some time, you start to grasp the fundamentals. Your confidence grows, and you learn more rapidly. This is where the curve starts to flatten out a bit, indicating faster progress. 3. The plateau phase. Eventually, you reach a level of proficiency where improvements are less noticeable. Learning doesn't stop, it just shifts towards refining skills and deepening knowledge. Be patient. Understand that the steep part of the curve is temporary. Everyone starts here. Practice regularly. Consistent practice is key to moving past the initial phase more quickly. Seek feedback. Constructive feedback helps identify areas for improvement, making your learning process more efficient. Stay motivated. Set small, achievable goals to keep your spirits high, even when progress seems slow. Remember, being on a learning curve is a normal part of learning anything new. It's a journey with its ups and downs, but with patience, practice, and perseverance, you'll see remarkable improvement over time. We hope this video has shed some light on the concept of the learning curve and how it applies to learning English or any other skill. Keep pushing forward, stay curious, and most importantly, enjoy the process of learning. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.